Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to make Audio ID public in Roblox. Let's get started. First, open up the Roblox website and log into your account. At the top, click on Create. Now, on the left-hand side, click Creations. Then go to Development Items, and then choose Audio from the list of options. Before making anything public, you'll need to upload your audio. Click on Upload Asset, give your file a name. For example, I'll call mine Audio 1. You can also add a description if you'd like. Then click on Upload to upload the audio. Once done, click the Upload button, and your MP3 file will start uploading. When the upload is complete, you'll see your audio listed at the bottom. Click on your audio file to open its settings. Now, scroll down until you see Distribute on Creator Store. This is the option you need to turn on to make your audio public. But before you can do this, there are two important things. You'll need to submit your audio for review. Your Roblox account must have identification verified in order to distribute assets. So, click Submit for review, agree to the terms and conditions, and press Submit. You'll get a message saying Distribution Approval Pending. This usually takes about 24 hours, but sometimes it can be approved almost instantly. Once approved, go back to your audio assets, click on your audio track, and enable Distribute on Creator Store. Finally, press Save Changes. Your audio file must be under 6 seconds long to make it public. If it's longer than 6 seconds, this option won't be available. And that's how you make Audio ID public in Roblox. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like, subscribe for more Roblox tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.